This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit S-315. Big price difference right off the bat.
Yeah, the Nexgrill is around $180, while the Weber is a hefty $850. What accounts for that jump?
Well, size and features. The Nexgrill is a small, portable tabletop grill good for camping or tailgating.
So smaller cooking space?
Exactly. It's got 263 square inches. The Weber, on the other hand, boasts 529 square inches, more than double the space.
Definitely a family-sized grill then. And burners.
The Nexgrill has two burners putting out 13,500 BTUs. The Weber cranks it up with three burners at 32,000 BTUs.
So more power and even heat distribution with the Weber, I'm guessing?
Probably. The Weber also has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known for heat retention and easy cleaning, and Flavorizer bars. The Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids and a 2-in-1 griddle/grill feature.
Okay, so the Nexgrill is trying to be versatile. What about materials?
The Nexgrill is cast aluminum with stainless steel handles. It's lightweight, around 28 pounds. The Weber is mostly stainless steel, but surprisingly lighter at 20 pounds, even though it's much bigger.
Interesting. Portability isn't really a factor for the Weber then.
Nope, the Nexgrill is all about portability. It even has easy lift handles. The Weber is more of a stay-at-home grill.
Right, so if you need something for a small space or for taking on the road, the Nexgrill is the clear winner. But if you're serious about grilling and need the space and power, the Weber is the way to go if you can stomach the price.
Precisely. It really boils down to your needs and budget. One last thing, the Weber has a fuel gauge, which is pretty handy. The Nexgrill doesn't mention one.
Good point. That could be a deciding factor for some.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.